Hey everyone, it's Allison. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the home series. This is the second video of our new coastal home in Florida. We're currently in the trenches of home renovation. We just bought a 1960s waterfront home and we are completely renovating the entire thing. The process is actually coming along really well thanks to having a great partner to renovate with. Tyler is super handy. I linked his YouTube down below to go ahead and give him a subscribe. So we are almost out of the woods, but of course the mattresses were something that we had to get to actually stay in this house. In today's video, I'm going to give you a full review on the Nest Wild Mattresses. If you have not heard of them, they are a mattress company that can ship right to your door. Believe it or not, this is actually my second time getting a Nest Wild mattress. I have the exact same one at my townhome in West Palm Beach. I've had that mattress for 2 years and I absolutely love it, especially as someone who has scoliosis. Having a good mattress is very important to me, and it's also important to my overall well-being and health. We went with the Nest Wild original mattress. We have the king size in here in the primary room, and we also got a queen size in the guest room. I really love this mattress at my house, so I wanted to make sure that the 2 bedrooms that we're furnishing right now in this new house is the same mattress. One of the reasons I like it so much, besides being really good for my scoliosis, is that it has like a cooling top layer. I'm not even sure if that's advertised or not, but it is definitely key to having a really good night's sleep. I actually put a mattress cover on it and took it right off because it kind of took away that layer of the cooling element, and it's so nice. Like, you will have the deepest sleep of your life. So let's talk first about delivery. So these mattresses were delivered right to our door, which is something that I love because I don't know how you're supposed to go to the store and then load up a mattress into the truck and bring it home. This is just so nice and easy. If I can do it, you guys can do it. I did it by myself at my other house, and luckily this time I have Tyler to help me. So as you can see, we just loaded it up on the bed and then we take it out. It's kind of vac sealed into a tight package, and we just cut it open with a box cutter, and literally within 30 seconds, you got a mattress. It's actually really fun doing this process and watching it just like blow up like a marshmallow in the microwave. Baby, what are your first reaction thoughts to this mattress?
I love this mattress already. It has a cooling layer here, and down here in South Florida it gets so hot, and I don't care who you are, I know people like to be cool when they're in bed but covered up with the covers. Cooling layer combined with the perfect mattress texture, I love.
Okay, so I talked a little bit about the cooling layer, but it's also a firm yet like pressure relieving mattress. So it's not like rock hard, but it does have that firmness aspect when you can just kind of like sink into the top just a little bit, but you're not like really sinking in the mattress. For another Nest Wild mattress. As someone with scoliosis, that's super important to me. I have to have a firm mattress in order to have a better spine and therefore have better days, because then I'm not having back pain, headaches, neck pain, etc. What I really love about this product is that it is all American made. It's also free of foams and fiberglass solutions, so it's a really high quality, well-made product. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. This is not a sales pitch, by the way. This is just my honest review and just giving you guys some information on these mattresses. So the price for the king size is $1,099. They do have sales from time to time, but again, it's an American made product, so you really can't go wrong with that with the price as well. And the queen size comes in right at $898. They also have lower prices for smaller mattresses, but of course, I'm just gonna tell you guys the ones that we got, since we got the king and the queen. And then of course, I have the king at the West Palm house as well, and it's amazing. I love it so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, please ask down below, and I'll be sure to link these products as well in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.